Tego Gatia, Dr. Gatia na ngoragwo kuria Rhodes, na ningine ngoragwo wabici-inĩ cia afya mashinani diabetes clinics, ikoragwo kuria afya center Mwea ona kuria Shomo. Na tukoragwo na wega muingi muno tuonete kuria andu aya akuru na response njega muno ya kuhuthira the sun. Riũa nĩ tucoke kuona kariũa karia ga kiroko na tucoka tukinye thi. He mundu muno uraria horo guku TikTok, foot doctor Dr. Hamisi araria horo wa gukinya thi. Ni ndienda umwethe muno umwite na ujite utunyitithanie tondu ni ndajirie that concept kundu na andu ni marokaga na ukona andu makihona wega muno. Thank you very much.
Thank you too. Mwiroreri ni reke ngwire riu ni thaa imwe ke tuinukio na ithui tukaruge sapatoro uraruga na ikorwo ni ukirugite yaku ni hiu twetire ni tuguka sawa. Bye, tukwendete na ni uyu go timu yothe ya ndagitari kuma kwa Raw Media Services Inoro TV, kuma kuri Wambui mwene, kuma kuri sisi wote sasa tuko marafiki, we are family friends. Tia gacemania natumia makajira we okire witu we tugitindaga nawe hau, so they really own you and I own you back. Na wapenda sisi wote kuma timu yothe ya ndagitari. God bless you. Ugima mwega wa mwiri ni kirathimo wina guo cokagiria Ngai ngatho. See you.
Muthenya wa gatano tariki 19 wetandatu mwaka uyu kwambiriria thaa 1:30 nginya thaa 2 cia rucini. Nyitanira na Njoroge wa Githĩnji na Kamau wa Kang'ethe thiini wa Inoro rucini makenyita ũgeni John Mwangi Gathige, CEO All-in Savings and Credit Cooperative Society Limited, nderetini ya ũguni wa kũigithia na sacco bacĩrĩru hamwe na ũheani wa ngombo. Ndũkahĩtũkwo nĩ ndereti ĩno ya mwanya thiini wa Inoro TV.
Juja, wewe ndio hii kitu inanitafua.
Ngatiga wega kana ume.
Gaka ndigetiga nituthie ngamuonia wira wako. Kondo ne goko wakahinda ka miaka 8 riu ngoretwo ngatinangia mathogora ma buroti goko Top Care na nikio aikaria ingi goko Juja na Joska magurite buroti na Top Care. Twena mugunda turakwenderia Juja 695,000 na kuo goko Joska Kagudo Road tutureire mai ma borehole tukakwenderia 445,000 only.
Tucerera Ruiru Town kana Rwai Plaza kana tuhurire thimo o riu 0708 00009.
Ino ni ceceni ya Inoro TV. Maria tukuhariirie Inoro hwaine. Abunge guthii na mbere na kwaririria mendekithia ma watho wa kigina. Minister wa ukui gutariria mutaratara wa waki wa kiharo kinene kia ndege kia JKIA. President kuga mwana wa mungithaniro nduri undureka tiga kunegena. No thuthuria wa gikuo kia Joy Kanini guthii na mbere kaunti-ini ya Nyeri.
Cokere ngatho cia mwanya muthenya uyu wa 18 wa mweri wa gatandatu ni gutwihokera mathaa maku na gutucagura tukumenyithia maria mothe matinda makegariura kuma ithaa ria rucini nginya ithaa riri. Abunge marathii na mbere na ndereti ya kwaririria mendekithia ma watho wa kigina, mendekithia maria megucoka mangihitukio kuria bunge-ini ya bururi megukorwo magitwarĩrwo President William Ruto nigetha ekire mendekithia macio matuike watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2026. Tuli hamwe na Njoki Shege ari mumemerekia witu na ruthiomi rota uri na njira cieko na njitagwo muriki wa Mucoki na maya nimo mohoro maria tukuhariirie hwaini uyu. No tugutwara na njira imwe kuma kuria bunge-ini ya bururi kuria abunge marathi na mbere na kwaririria mendekithia macio ma kigina. No ririkane ndereti igithi na mbere kuria bunge-ini ya bururi iraririo gacunji kwa gacunji hari mendekithia maria mothe matamanitio ni kamiti ya kigina kuria bunge-ini ya bururi. Tugutware ku na njira imwe kumwe tuthikiririe uria ndereti irathi na mbere.
Decision has been made against you and you want to appeal. This thing is saying you have to pay first, then you appeal, and that at the time you are appealing, you first of all pay the tax. So in that case, this is actually... Yeah, why don't we wait for the...
You'll allow Honorable Nyikal to make his point.
So, Chair, this is intrinsically wrong. You have appealed, and a decision has been made against you, or you have been taken to the tribunal, a decision has been made against you, or you want to appeal that decision, you are being told you pay first, then you make the appeal. That at the time you are making the appeal, you actually pay. And if then the appeal, you succeed in the appeal, then the tax will be refunded. And then you may choose to use it to offset the tax.
Thank you.
I oppose this one.
Thank you. Honorable Kajwang.
Chair, I have not spoken since this debate began. But members, be careful. You will be the first target of this thing. You will be the first target of this thing. As long as KRA decides that you have not paid, or that you have filed nil returns, or that something is wrong with you, you will be the first one to pay. They will take all your money. They will put Kaluma. Now listen.
Order, members.
Listen to senior lawyer speaking.
Order. There's a member on his feet, and all of you are all up there with your hands up. It's not right. Honorable Kagusha, put your hand down.
Yeah.
Allow the member on his feet to contribute.
So vote for this. Vote for this at your own expense.
Thank you, Honorable Kirima. Honorable Kirima.
Chairman, what I know is first, I raised a point of information, Chairman, to the minority leader, that whoever brought the law of Chairman, can I be protected? Chairman, I need protection. I need protection, Chairman.
Honorable Kirima, go ahead.
Yes, on point of information first, I want to collect the minority leader that whoever brought the law of one party, it was not Tomboya, it was Charles Jonjo.
Honorable Kaluma, take your seat and listen carefully to the person on the floor.
Let the minority leader run that one, so that they cannot misdirect this house again. Secondly, Chairman, on the cross which is before us, we cannot divest the court on its authority because we cannot gag the court on any law which it wants to make because it has what we call inherent jurisdiction.
Thank you. Honorable Osoro.
Honorable Speaker, Honorable Chair, sorry.
But I gave two this side before I gave the other side one. You're being unreasonable. And I won't allow you to be unreasonable. I gave three this side. Only one person on that side. Why not? Honorable Osoro, go ahead.
Honorable Chair, when you read this particular amendment, this particular clause clearly, it talks about the tribunal, the High Court, and the Court of Appeal. Honorable Chair, who goes before the tribunal? Even on the face value, it clearly states that it can't be a criminal matter in nature. You don't take a criminal to a tribunal. It is a...
Deretino irathi na mbere kuria bunge-ini ya bururi a bunge magathi na mbere na kwarĩrĩria mendekithia macio ma watho wa kĩgĩna. Ririkana mendekithia maya nimo thirikari yatanya gukorwo ikiungania muigana wa ciringi bilioni 120. Bunge hari maundu maigana na ngika Deretino no ikorwo ikihitukio iri yothe kana ihitukio na thutha ucio ngihitukio iri yothe gwikirwo kirwo ni President William Ruto ne tuike watho wa kere no ihitukio iri icunje imwe na wa gatatu no ikorwo igitenerio iri yothe. Ntuko tugeterera tukumenyithie maria mekuyumiria riri Dereti irathi na mbere abunge magaikagiria kura o gacunje kamendekithia macio maungania wa magoti. No ningĩ tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nake mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa DCP Rigathĩ Gachagua nĩ atamanĩtie ndama na mwerekera wake wa ũteti ũrĩa ũratũmire o ikinya rĩa gũcoka gwake mũciĩ wa Munyoro Mathĩra kaunti-inĩ ya Nyĩrĩ kwa ihinda rĩa thikũ 45 thutha wa igoti inene gũkindĩra kũhagũrwo gwake nĩ bunge ya Senate. Ũrĩ mũthenya wa gatatũ ũmũthĩ Rigathĩ nĩ acemanirie na ateti na atongoria arĩa maretha iturwo na kĩama kĩa DCP kuria amatarĩirie kandi igĩrĩ iria aigĩrĩire metha-inĩ cia gwetha mũrirũkia wao wa federa. Ĩmwe yayo arĩ kuha aruna ake mwena wa mang'ethanĩro makamũnyita mbaru na ya kerĩ arĩ kũnyita mbaru umwe wao kana ũrĩa ũngĩ ũgacagũrwo gũkorwo akĩrirũkia federa. Mwandĩki witũ wa mohoro gwĩtwo Thĩru wa Mbogo nĩ aratarĩria kuma Nyĩrĩ.
Akĩkũhagũrwo ta Deputy President wa bũrũri ũyũ nĩ bunge ya Senate na akĩhera wathani-inĩ hinya wake wa ũtongoria na ũteti wacokire wa Munyoro Mathĩra kaunti-inĩ ya Nyĩrĩ. Gĩikaro-inĩ na atongoria arĩa maretha iturwa na kĩama kĩa DCP gwake mũciĩ wa Munyoro, Rigathĩ Gachagua augĩte atongoria a mũng'ethanĩro mekũnyitana nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra President William Ruto ndanaiyũkia itĩna rĩngĩ rĩa wathani.
If Rigathĩ Gachagua has to make sacrifices to make Ruto one term and support somebody else, we must do it. This wanton theft of public funds, I hear Ruto and the Kalenjin mafia around him wanasema ati ni injury time. Sisi anaenda nyumbani wachukue ile kitu yote iko.
Augĩte arĩ na kandi igĩrĩ, ya kare ĩrĩ ya kwĩyendia kũrĩ aruna ake nĩguo mamũnyite mbaru, gũkũ ĩyo ĩngĩ ĩrĩ ya kũnyita mbaru ũrĩa ũkamũrwo kũrirũkia federa ya mũng'ethanĩro.
Where Rigathĩ Gachagua persuades his colleagues in the United Alternative Government that he has the capacity, the ability, the resources, the strategies, the people to be the flag bearer for the United Alternative Government. In case Rigathĩ Gachagua is not able to persuade his colleagues, and the formula that will be applied to pick the single presidential candidate does not favor him, then Rigathĩ Gachagua and his supporters will have to back somebody else. I will need your mandate to enter into that discussion.
Ohonia kumithĩtie President William Ruto akiuga atanyĩte kungumia kĩgĩna kĩa makĩria ma ciringi bilioni 6 kũgerera budget ya nyongerera rĩrĩ mwaka wa kĩgĩna ũtigarĩtie ndukũ 12.
Towards the end of the financial year that ends on midnight 30th June, William Ruto amepanga kuiba 6.2 billion through confidential expenditure. That is money that will be drawn in cash. It's only remaining 12 days. Huyu Soprano ameweka 200 million.
Rigathi Gachagua akiuga ambunge kuma Kirima aria matanekinya bunge-ini hindi ya ndereti ya watho wa kigina ni aria marenda gukenia muingi, akiuga kiria kimetereire mwaka ukite ni rucamio rwa muingi.
Ruto allied MPs from the Mount Kenya region are absenting themselves because they want to please Ruto and they want to please the people. There is no neutral position in this matter. You are either with the people or with Ruto. So we want to tell our people, those MPs from the Mount Kenya region who do not go to parliament, those are against the people. And they are with Ruto.
Augite kugerera micemanio iria agukorwo agitabania thiini wa nduku 45 ciokite niyo ikaheana mwerekera wa utongoria wa bururi.
It is in this same place that we shall strategize and agree and successively market and win and have the 6th president of the Republic of Kenya.
Hadu ini Inooro TV kumaka unte ya Nyeri, Jeta Theuri.